My name is Stephen Boyer. I'm the MD of Marsh Industries. We're a UK manufacturer supplying the builders merchants, civil engineers and contractors. We have an external sales force that normally has day-to-day face-to-face meetings on site at builders merchants and with civil engineering consultants. Obviously, due to the COVID pandemic, these day-to-day face-to-face meetings have become less than less. We needed to actually train our sales team in modern video conferencing, either using Zoom, Teams or other formats. To do this, we decided to speak to Excel. We asked for a training module where our sales team would be trained over a series of meetings, but also they would install equipment to enable us to do this more professionally. We were not trying to make out that all our sales teams were sitting in fancy offices, either down at Docklands or at Salford Quays. But in the main, wanted to create a much more professional image that hopefully suited what we were trying to achieve and also make some of our customers feel more at ease. To do this then, we had a series of meetings by video, and it resulted really in Martin coming down from Excel and installing lighting, microphones, tripods and equipment, green screens, etc., to enable us to do this here, both at the head office here in Addington in Kettering, and more latterly then we fed that out to our sales team. Once we did this, the training module started, and these were extremely comprehensive and actually took nearly a full day, where they were trained into building up a presentation, looking exactly what was needed with the start, the middle part of the presentation, looking at the real content, and finally making sure and endorsing the end result, meaning that we would actually achieve both what our customer wanted and also what we wanted. We've termed this internally, as far as Marsh is concerned, as the third industrial revolution. Once we've done these training modules, it then became a real life situation where the sales force was actually asked to prepare a 20-minute presentation using the new lighting techniques, the cameras and the screens, etc. This was extremely enlightening, and to be honest, we actually did a number of trial video meetings before this to make sure that we felt more comfortable with it, and certainly to give a proper image of what our guys were hoping to achieve. We did this both for internal and external staff, and to be honest, the results were remarkable. As we say, this is the third industrial revolution. From my end, I've conducted both the meetings now with our suppliers and also with customers, and in reality, I've probably undertaken more face-to-face meetings via a video link than I could ever hope in a normal working week. I cannot praise Martin and Andrew enough for the work they've done with us. They're extremely efficient and knowledgeable. Both have worked in media, both radio and TV, so they are well versed knowing what the professional image should be. All my team, and this is the first time, and I've been in sales really since 1980, all my team thoroughly enjoyed the course and actually said it was the best training course they've been on. When they come to doing the face-to-face meetings on video, this was completely new to many of them. They've never undertook this format, but in the end, all agreed it was well worthwhile and are now using this. So if you want to keep a foot in the future while keeping the face-to-face of the past meetings, certainly Excel will accommodate you. As I say, they've been a pleasure to work with, and we will use this ongoing for future training. Thank you.